Looking for the best OM system cameras of 2025? From travel-friendly compacts to pro-level weather-sealed beasts, these cameras deliver incredible image quality and features. Stick around, we'll help you find the perfect OM camera for your adventures. First up, the OM system, Olympus OM1. Mark II comes with the M Zuiko Digital ED 12-40mm f 2.8 PRO 2-lens kit. This camera is weather-sealed, making it perfect for outdoor adventures in rain or dust. The 20-megapixel sensor and advanced image stabilization let you capture sharp photos, even in tricky conditions. During testing, the OM1 Mark II impressed with fast autofocus, stunning low-light performance, and smooth handling despite its pro-level feature set. Whether you're shooting landscapes, street photography, or action shots, this kit delivers consistent, high-quality images. If you want a professional OM system camera with weather protection and pro lens, the OM1 Mark II is your top pick. Check the description below for the link. Next, the OM system, OM On 5. Mark II is all about lightweight portability without sacrificing features. This compact 4K video camera is weather-sealed, perfect for outdoor travel, hiking, or adventure photography. In real-world testing, the OM5 Mark II delivered crisp 4K video, stabilized footage, and quick responsiveness. Its compact form factor makes it easy to carry all day, while the rugged design ensures it can handle adventure shoots, from mountain trails to beach sunsets. If you want a travel-friendly, weatherproof OM system camera with excellent video, the OM5 Mark II is ideal. Check the description below for the link. Looking for a mid-range OM system camera? The Olympus OM-DEM10 Mark IV offers 20-megapixel sensor, 5-axis image stabilization, and 4K video capture in a sleek, compact body. Testing showed it's great for street photography, portraits, and casual travel. The stabilization system makes handheld shots super sharp, and the lightweight design means you can carry it everywhere without fatigue. It's an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want solid image quality without going pro level. For a compact, reliable OM system camera with great stabilization and 4K video, the EM10 Mark IV is a winner. Check the description below for the link. The OM system, Olympus OM3 Silver, is designed for photographers who want durability and precision. Featuring weather sealing, 5-axis image stabilization, and a robust build, it's perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. In testing, the OM3 handled challenging lighting and movement beautifully. The shutter is responsive and the camera feels solid in hand, giving confidence for adventure shots. It's ideal for capturing everything from mountain landscapes to street scenes without worry. If you want a durable, weather-sealed OM system camera for travel, the OM3 is a top pick. Check the description below for the link. Finally, the OM system Olympus EM10 Mark IV. Silver combines 20-megapixel imaging, 5-axis stabilization, and 4K video in a compact, stylish body. It's perfect for everyday photography, travel, and casual video. In real-world use, the EM10 Mark IV delivers sharp, vibrant photos, smooth video, and easy handling for beginners or enthusiasts. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for carrying everywhere, and the silver finish adds a touch of elegance to your kit. For a lightweight, stylish OM system camera that performs well for everyday use, the EM10 Mark IV Silver is a great choice. Check the description below for the link. And there you have it, the best OM system cameras of 2025. From pro-level kits to compact travel cameras, there's an OM camera for every photographer. Check the description for links, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which one you'd take on your next adventure.